Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Bang & Olufsen BEOLAB 28 wireless cinema speakers and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these speakers are not connecting to your device or to your television or to whatever they're supposed to, or they're not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, any kind of issues like that can very often be fixed with this factory reset. Now the second reason you're going to want to do this is if you're setting this up on a new network or in a new home or a new entertainment system and you just want to get a fresh start, delete everything off of them and get them back to the way they were when they came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that really easily. So we need to have power to them. And with power to them, all we need to do is come in and press and hold simultaneously this back arrow and forward arrow. And after 3 seconds, it will make an audible prompt. Just keep holding it. That's the Wi-Fi setup prompt. Just keep holding it for another 5 seconds, because when you get to 8 seconds, then that will initiate the actual full factory reset. You can release it, allow it to do its reset process, which takes about a minute. Once that happens, then you can go ahead and set it up. Delete the old version off of whatever you had it paired with or connected to, because it needs to be set up like a brand new speaker now.